The defense lawyer in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial is likely to appear in the Hillbrow Magistrate's Court today. Advocate Malesela Teffo insists that he's been arrested on a fraudulent warrant of arrest. He was detained following proceedings at the Pretoria High Court yesterday afternoon. He allegedly failed to appear on a contempt of court matter. Teffo is representing 4 in the accused in Meyiwa's murder trial. For more on the story, let's cross live now to our colleague Hasina Gori. Hasina, of course, most people were really, flabbergasted yesterday at that very public arrest of Malesela Teffo. Have there been any developments during the night leading to now?
So, as you mentioned, quite a public and a very widespread arrest that occurred at the adjournment yesterday at the North Gauteng High Court. Quite dramatic. We saw that tactical unit coming in, but also not many answers being given at that specific point. We managed yesterday during the process, Desiree, to speak to Adv Teffo while he was in the holding cells, where he explained to us, what he understood the arrest were. We've known and we understand it's a contempt of a court charges which relate to charges of trespassing at the Gauteng police officers, and this, according to him, was a fraudulent warrant. But I want to bring in the advocate, the instructing attorney of the Senzo Meyiwa trial, Tshepo Thobane, who is here outside the court, and I just want to ask him, to give us more clarity on what exactly are the charges that Advocate Teffo is facing. So thank you so much for speaking to us. Yesterday at court, it was still quite chaotic, and we didn't understand what exactly those charges were. For those that may have missed it, what are the charges that Advocate Teffo was arrested at the court?
Yes, good morning. The charges he was facing, the trespassing charges. It was one charge of trespassing. The warrant of arrest was executed in January 2022, on the 20th of January. They should have looked for him for a long time ago, before he started this matter in Pretoria High Court. I don't understand why they did it yesterday, because the investigating officer had his contact details. He knows where he stays. He should have contacted him long time ago. I agree with the Chief Justice, which I respect, is my senior, that if there is a warrant, you must be arrested. But they must not use it as a scapegoat to delay the trial in Pretoria. They must not arrest him at an opportune time. They should have done that if they wanted to arrest him. They should have done that long time ago, before the trial in Pretoria started. And the manner in which he was arrested is not fair. They cannot arrest someone in the courtroom. That's contempt of court.
What actions can we expect Advocate Teffo to take today when he does appear in court? He has said that, even the warrant may be fraudulent. So what can we expect to happen today in court?
No, I cannot say the warrant is fraudulent. I cannot comment on that. What we are trying to do, we are trying to let him be released. To be honest with you, the NPA assisted us a lot yesterday. We left this morning 1 o'clock with 2 prosecutors, the senior and the junior. We are trying to locate the docket. The docket was in Benoni, in the house of one brigadier, whereas we waited for the docket here. It never came to court. And I cannot say much, because it's my instruction that I must not talk much. And then after we manage to release him, then he will make a press conference.
How would this impact, or would it have any impact on the Senzo Meyiwa trial, which he is, the lead defense attorney there on?
Lead advocate. No, it doesn't have any impact at all. The trial will continue. Remember, he's an advocate. If he he cannot proceed, then we'll have brief another advocate. Yes.
Thank you so much. That was the instructing attorney of the Senzo Meyiwa trial for Tshepo Thobane, speaking to us here outside the Hillbrow Magistrate's Court, explaining to us that what they want to do today and what they expect to happen today is to have Advocate Teffo released. As you heard, he said they were here till the very early hours of the morning, speaking with the NPA and getting assistance with them with regards to the docket, as well as just understanding the charges. What we do know, as you heard, this is a trespass trespassing charge, which is related to alleged trespassing at the provincial head office of the police. And we heard as well from Adv Teffo yesterday, saying that he feels this is something that's being done to him due to top brass of the police not being happy with the way he conducts his work and in the cases that he may be doing, and he claimed it may be a conspiracy against him. You heard from the advocate saying that the manner in which the arrest was also executed was not done in accordance. We've heard that the police national commissioner is investigating the matter and has asked for the provincial commissioner to also give a report back, so we'll wait on that. We've seen the NPA, the spokesperson is here at the Magistrate's Court, and we hope to speak with her during the course of the day, and we're uncertain as yet at what time will the court proceedings begin. But for now, this is the scene outside the Hillbrow Magistrate's Court, where Adv Teffo has been held from yesterday. We're told that he's in good spirits. His lawyers did speak to us as well, and you heard from the instructing attorney Thobane speaking to us here outside the court.
Hasina, we'll wait to hear outcome from you. I imagine a lot of interest in this story.